Hi, today we're going to talk about how to maintain user and setting for access control. First, we have to go to Tools and go to Maintain User. After come in, then you can see by default admin user is inside. So you double click and go Edit, and you can go More and go Access Control. Under access control, you have to see all the list here, and this is all the access right that you can set, whether the user can execute, new, edit, or delete. Now I'm going to teach you how to create a new user. So you close it and go cancel here, and after that click on new. And let's say maybe you have a salesperson, so you can create a login ID for sales. After that, save it. You can go to edit and go to more here to assign a password for the user first. So let's say you can put it sales and confirm password again and press OK and save. After done this, edit again and go to more and go to access control. Come to this screen and we can see bottom here we have grant, revoke, grant all, and revoke all. Grant all is mean tick everything. Revoke all is untick everything. So let's say if I revoke all, that means I untick everything. So after you click and it will untick everything. For example, salesperson is allowed only access rights under sales module. So you can come to group here and go to sales, and you can see the list will have listed all the possible access right we can set in the system. So you can highlight it, and after highlight you can right click and do a batch edit value. Under this column here, for execute, that means they can access to this access right. New, that means they can create a new document, edit, whether they are allowed to edit or not, or they can delete the transaction or not. Okay, so we come to execute and option check. Once after done, you just click execute and change done. The same thing for edit, new, but I'm not allowed the user to delete, so I do not tick anything. For report part, they have process. Process, that means they can go through this report. So go to process and execute, and print, whether they can print or not. If can, then just tick, and preview, the same thing. But I'm not allowed to export the report, so I do not tick it. After done, close it, and you can see here where the delete is all unticked and as a export is unticked too. So after done it, you can just go to save. After done the access right, let's check out what will be happen in system. So we log in as sales. You can find that under the toolbars here, there were only left quotation and others that we had ticked just now. But for GL part or others place, they are just all unticked. However, user will come to the interface here and see maintain account, but they are still not allowed to access. Let's see under the sales. We go to sales and go to invoice. Under invoice, we can see all the invoice. We are allowed to edit, but we are not allowed to delete. So the delete had been grayed out. Besides that, we also can copy paste the access right from A to B. You can go to Tools, Maintain User, and come back here. Let's say I create a new user, new sales2 and go to save. If I want sales to access right, same with the salesperson, then we come to sales, edit, and go to more and click on export access right. Under here, we can name it as access right and save it. Go back to browse and edit the sales to. Edit again, go to more and click on import access right. And you can seek for your AccessRight template and open, and it will prompt this and click on yes, done, and save. So you will find that sales2 have the same AccessRight with sales. Nevertheless, if you wish to delete user, you are not allowed. But how you inactive, you can come to the edit here and untick the active. Thank you.